soft delay. Heartbeat finds a slow way. Circuits hum beneath the skin. The sequence quietly begins. My thoughts dissolve inside the neural drift sequence. Lines of reason start to lose their obedience. Every doubt becomes a wave, floating farther, less enslaved. Step by step, the pattern grows, a rising tone that never shows. Not a jump, not a fall, just a pull I can't recall. Let it lift, don't resist. Stay between what was and is. Neural drift sequence, upward, slow, precise. Neural drift sequence, rewriting inner skies. Neural drift sequence, nothing left to hold. Neural drift sequence, I unfold. Echoes stretch like melting glass. Future and the present pass. Memory turns liquid light, flowing through the endless night. Each repeat a higher ground, lost yet perfectly found. No peak yet, just ascend. Gravity forgets its name. Neural drift sequence, higher than before. Neural drift sequence, still asking for more. Neural drift sequence, rise without a sound. Neural drift sequence, we are unbound. When the Sims finally breathe out, I'm not somewhere else. I'm simply wider.